Navigating your spring move, comprehensive tips, best practices, and best Miami movers assistance. Many people are motivated to embrace change, which frequently involves moving to a new house, since spring brings fresh life into the globe. We'll also discuss how best Miami movers can help you move more quickly and smoothly to your new home by providing specialized services and years of experience. Season-specific moving advice. Springtime is known for its erratic weather, which can include bright days and unexpected downpours. Before packing, use the energy of spring cleaning to clear out your house. Go through everything you own with a meticulous eye to see what you no longer need or use. Give your furry or feathery friends top priority when it comes to their security and welfare throughout the relocation. How best Miami movers can help. With years of expertise servicing the Miami community, Best Miami Movers has unmatched understanding of the region, taking into account logistical issues, traffic patterns, and neighborhood laws. Trust the knowledgeable experts at Best Miami Movers by using their packing services. You can be certain that your belongings are in good hands and concentrate on other elements of your relocation. Checklist for a successful spring move. Find reliable moving firms in your region, like Best Miami Movers, by conducting in-depth research. Start packing well in advance of the date of your relocation, focusing on seasonal and non-essential goods first. Making the transition in the spring brings with it possibilities and difficulties, from adjusting to erratic weather to welcoming change and rejuvenation. In the middle of the colorful splendor of spring, Best Miami Movers is prepared to accompany you every step of the way with their local expertise, tailored solutions, and unwavering dedication to quality. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.